All right, so today we have the Pure Optic 360 LED fog lamp bundles. Not gonna be used as fog lamps. Putco is the brand, I guess. And these are gonna be used as the reverse backup lights for a Jeep Wrangler. So in here you can see the light themselves. This part will plug in, that will be the light source itself. So this won't be like your headlights or taillights, it'll be when you actually put the Jeep into reverse, the little white lights that come on the bottom. If you ever had a Jeep Wrangler, you know that those lights are pretty terrible. You can't see very much at them. So it should be a quick and easy upgrade. So there is the factory lights. I don't know how well that's gonna show up, but as you can see, they're kind of yellowish looking. So this is the backup camera in there. You can see, I mean, it looks pretty good here, but it's quite certainly not as bright as it's gonna be with the new ones. So you can see the clarity there. All right, here we are with the Jeep Wrangler, of course. And here is the tail light. It's real simple. You just need to take these two screws out. These two you don't need to take out because they just hold this onto this little black box. These two screws attach it to the vehicle. Some people just take a hammer and smash it off there. That's not really the best way to do it. You want to use a screwdriver. I'm really strong. Sometimes I just pull it out with my bare hands, but for video purposes, we'll use this screwdriver. That one's already out, right? And then this just pulls right out. There's little clips in there, so you just pull it straight out. Again, I'm really strong, so that's why you can do it. If you're not strong as me, you might have problems. And this one, you pop this right out, you just twist and comes out. And there is the old version. And again, this one just pulls right back out. And as you can imagine, the black part goes in here, and this is the light portion. And again, just clips right in there, a little metal piece inside there that clamps it down. And then once you got it all the way in, just put this back in here and then twist it in. And it kind of catches once it's, you know, straight, parallel. So then you just put it right back on and screw it back in. Oh, they look bright, yeah. All right, so I forgot to follow up on this. This is probably a year later from the original recording, but you can see they're still working just fine. The backup lights, you can see, I don't know if you can tell how bright that is in his little backup camera. So there's just the brake lights, and now he's gonna put it in reverse, and you can see just how bright that is. There's no light over here. That's just this, right? All right, anyhow, big thumbs up.